Please take a seat. The ceremony shall begin. And now, let us welcome the bride. Let's put hands together.
Get back on the feet and think of me. My love will get you home. My love will get you home. If the bright lights blind your eyes, my love will get you home.
In this day, we are gathered together in the presence of all these wonderful witnesses to join the bride and the groom in matrimony. Now, this contract shall not be taken lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, with deep realization of its obligation and responsibilities. Now, the vows you are about to exchange will serve as a verbal representation of the non-verbal emotions that are as real as anything that can be seen, heard, or touched. For it is not the words that you will speak today that will bond you together as one, but the strength of the love and commitment found deep within your souls. Now they shall exchange their vows. Let's start with Ernest first. Repeat after me.
Ashley, Nala, no word is good enough
To express my feeling right now.
to express my feeling right now.
Marrying a girl like you
Marrying a girl like you
is the best thing that could happen
is the best thing that could happen
to a guy like you.
to a guy like me.
You are most unselfish
You are most unselfish
and loving person
and loving person
I've ever seen.
I've ever seen.
Your beauty,
Your beauty,
heart and mind
heart and mind
inspire me to be
inspire me to be
the best person I can be.
the best person I can be.
Therefore,
Therefore,
Ashley,
Ashley,
I vow to be honest,
I vow to be honest,
caring and truthful,
caring and truthful,
to love you as you are,
to love you as you are,
and not as I want to be,
and not as I want to be,
and to grow old
and to grow old
by your side
by your side
as a love
as your love
and best friend.
and best friend.
And finally,
And finally,
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
in good times
in good time
and in bad,
and in bad,
with all I have,
with all I have,
give and all that I am,
to give and all that I am,
in the only way I know how,
in the only way I know how,
completely and forever.
completely and forever.
Honest,
From the moment I first saw you,
from the moment I just saw you,
I knew you were the one.
I knew you were one. With whom I wanted to share my life.
Sometimes,
I know sometimes
امتحان
I'm guilty
when you do not come back
آخر شيء
when you not come back in time
from my birthday,
for my birthday
anniversary,
or our anniversary.
somehow I really understand
But somehow I really understand
that flying around is your job.
that flying around is a job.
And what you are doing now
And what you are doing now
is the best for you.
is to give the best for you.
I'm always proud of
I'm always proud of
you being professional.
you being professional,
And you can never imagine
and you can never imagine
how amazing you are
how amazing you are to me
when you're in the uniform.
when you're with the uniform.
And that's when I knew
And that's when I knew
I'm the luckiest girl to marry a man like you.
I'm the luckiest girl to marry a man like you.
Therefore,
And therefore,
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
for eternity,
for eternity,
respecting you,
respecting you, honoring you,
be faithful to you,
be faithful to you,
and share my life with you
and share my life with you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
and to grow old by your side
and to grow old by your side
as your love,
as a love,
as your best friend.
as a best friend. Baby, I love you.
أقول
Oh, everything, oh.
أطرف
Everybody say, oh.
Okay, now you may exchange a wedding ring.
هدي اخش بالنص للرجال.
You may now kiss the bride.